Hi, I'm Dr. Bala Krishnan. I'm an orthopedic and joint replacement surgeon working at Columbia Hospital, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. I've been an orthopedic surgeon for over 20 years, and of which about 12 to 15 years has been exclusively in joint replacement surgery. Total knee arthroplasty or total knee replacement is done when the knee joint is completely destroyed as a result of arthritis or osteoarthritis, which can be primary osteoarthritis, traumatic secondary arthritis, or arthritis due to various conditions like rheumatoid arthritis or psoriatic arthritis. At this stage, when the joint cartilage is completely destroyed and it affects the activities of daily living, the quality of life is affected, wherein the walking distance is reduced, climbing stairs is difficult, patient find it difficult to get up from a sitting position, as in getting in and out of cars or in getting in and out of chairs, etc. When the quality of life is affected and all forms of conservative management like physical therapy, intra-articular injections have not given adequate relief, a surgical procedure is undertaken where we do a total knee replacement, in which the bottom surface or the lower end of the thigh bone called the femur is cut away and replaced, and the top end of the shin bone or tibia is replaced with metallic components which are actually alloys made up of cobalt, chromium and titanium, aluminium, vanadium, interposed with a special kind of plastic which is ultra high molecular weight polyethylene.